We also have to take into account here our exposure plus our proximity component. I think the students benefit from my experiences that I bring to the classroom, and to be able to provide them real-world examples of how we're solving problems out there. That ability to teach is actually a fundamental aspect of what we do in the Army as well, especially as commissioned officers, as leaders, is that we're mentors and coaches and teachers. So academia has equipped me with much greater levels of understanding of how to tackle very complex problems. It also helped me better refine my ability to teach. And that's a real pleasure of mine, is being able to get in the classroom and teach from freshman level all the way to PhD level, and enjoy watching the students grow in their depth of knowledge.